In today's video, I will walk you through how to add AI color enhance effect using filters in Filmora. Import your video into Filmora and drag it onto the timeline. Go to the Filters tab at the top of the interface. In the search bar, type AI color, enhance, or color boost, depending on your version of Filmora. Browse the filters and select one labeled AI, Auto Enhance, or Color Enhancement. Drag the filter onto your video clip in the timeline. Click the clip, then open the Filter Settings panel. Adjust the available controls such as intensity, brightness, contrast, saturation, and tone correction if available. Preview your video and fine-tune the settings until the color looks balanced and enhanced. AI Color Enhance improves overall video quality by boosting colors, correcting lighting, and making footage look more balanced. It's useful when your video looks dull, underexposed, or lacks vibrant colors. That's it. You've successfully added an AI Color Enhance effect using filters in Filmora. Thank you for watching the video.